Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling with a tennis racket that feels too heavy, hard to control, or just doesn't give you enough power? Many beginners and intermediate players lose confidence because their racket doesn't support their game style, especially on long rallies or fast returns. Today we're checking out the Head T.S6 tennis racket, a lightweight, head-heavy graphite and titanium racket designed for easy power and control. Extra lightweight, 8.9 ounces, helps reduce arm fatigue during long matches. Head-heavy balance gives more power on shots with less effort. Extended length, 27.75 inches, improves reach and serves. Graphite plus titanium frame, strong, durable, and responsive feel. Pre-strung, ready to play right out of the box. Large sweet spot, more forgiving on off-center hits, great for consistency. Pros: very easy power generation. Lightweight and arm-friendly. Great for beginners and intermediates. Large sweet spot improves accuracy. Cons: less control for advanced players. Not ideal for aggressive spin-heavy gameplay. Slightly longer frame may feel unusual at first. This racket is perfect for beginners to intermediate players who want easy power without heavy swings. A forgiving racket for learning consistency. Comfort during long playing sessions. Not ideal for advanced competitive players who need precision control. At around $99, the Head T.S6 offers excellent value for casual and improving players, delivering comfort, power, and forgiveness at a budget-friendly price. Number 4. This is the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, an affordable beginner-friendly racket built for easy learning and casual play. Lightweight build, around 1 pound, easy to swing, great for beginners. Oversized head, bigger sweet spot for more forgiving shots. Power frame design, helps generate extra power with less effort. Carbon fiber plus aluminum construction, balanced mix of durability and control. V-Matrix technology, expands the sweet spot for better consistency. Pre-strung, ready to use straight out of the box. Pros: very budget-friendly. Easy to use for beginners. Lightweight and arm-friendly. Large sweet spot improves confidence. Cons: limited control for advanced players. Not ideal for high-level competitive play. Basic grip and finishing compared to premium rackets. Perfect for beginners, casual players, or recreational users who want easy learning experience. Comfortable swings without strain. A low-cost entry into tennis. Not suitable for advanced or tournament-level players. At just around $36.99, the Wilson Tour Slam offers excellent value, one of the best ultra-budget rackets for starting tennis without spending much. Number 3. This is the Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14 Performance Tennis Racket, a lightweight, precision-focused racket designed for intermediate players who want control without extra weight. Ultralight frame, 9.49 ounces, fast swing speed with less arm fatigue. Pro Staff Control DNA, built for precision and shot placement. Graphite construction with braid 45 tech, improves stability and feel. Sensation 16-string setup, mid-tension, comfortable touch and solid response. Compact 97 SQ in head size, enhances control for advanced shot making. Balanced performance design, mix of power, control, and maneuverability. Pros: excellent control and precision. Very lightweight for quick reactions. Premium feel and build quality. Great for developing advanced technique. Cons: smaller sweet spot than beginner rackets. Less forgiving on off-center hits. Not ideal for total beginners. Best suited for intermediate players or improving players who want more control over power. Faster swing speed and responsiveness. A transition racket toward advanced level play. Not recommended for beginners who need maximum forgiveness. At around $139, this racket sits in the mid-range category, offering strong performance value for players upgrading from beginner rackets. You're paying for control, precision, and pro staff level feel without going fully premium. Number 2. This is the Head Geospeed Adult Tennis Racket, a beginner-friendly, pre-strung racket designed for easy power and simple gameplay. Light balance design helps you swing faster with less effort. Extended length, 27.5 inches, improves reach and serving power. Titanium plus graphite mix adds durability with a responsive feel. Pre-strung setup, ready to play right out of the box. Oversized head, bigger sweet spot for more forgiving shots. Beginner-focused design makes learning tennis easier and smoother. Pros. Very easy to use for beginners. Lightweight feel helps reduce fatigue. Large sweet spot improves consistency. Good power for casual play. Cons. Not very precise for advanced players. Slightly heavier than ultralight beginner rackets. Limited control for competitive matches. Perfect for beginners and casual players who want easy power without technical skill. A forgiving racket for learning basics. Comfortable recreational gameplay. Not ideal for advanced or competitive level players. At around $54.99, this racket offers solid value for beginners, giving you good power, comfort, and durability without spending too much. Number 1. This is the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Rackets, an ultra-budget, beginner-friendly tennis racket made for easy casual play. Lightweight design, 0.68 pounds, easy swinging, reduces arm fatigue. Aluminum frame, durable and beginner-friendly build. Carbon fiber shaft, adds a bit of stability and control. Oversized head, larger sweet spot for more forgiving hits. Power frame geometry, helps generate extra power with less effort. Pre-strung, ready to use right out of the box. All skill-friendly design, simple and easy for anyone to pick up. Pros. Very affordable price. Extremely easy for beginners. Lightweight and comfortable. Forgiving sweet spot improves confidence. Cons. Limited control for advanced players. Basic build quality. Not suitable for serious competition. Best for beginners, casual players, or anyone starting tennis who wants a low-cost entry racket. Easy handling and comfort. Simple recreational play. Not ideal for intermediate or advanced competitive players. At just $36.99, this is one of the most affordable tennis rackets available. It delivers great value for beginners, focusing on comfort and ease rather than advanced performance. If you're starting tennis on a budget, this is a solid pick. Check the link in the description for more details. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more racket reviews and comparisons.